So in today's video, I'm going to try to sell an ebook on my Basketball 545 page. So what is the step there is I'm going to go up to Fiverr. I'm going to hire someone to write the ebook for me because I don't have time to write the ebook myself. Then I'm going to host this ebook on Gumroad's website because it's for free. Then next, I'm going to place on my Basketball 545 to sell this ebook. Then let's find out after 24 hours, how much money can we make? Alright, so right now let's jump onto Fiverr. Let's find someone to write this ebook for us. Alright, so now you see I'm on Fiverr and I already messaged 5 people on Fiverr. I'm asking them if they can write basketball skills about 3-point because these days Steve Curry has already changed the basketball game. People now are really want to learn how to shoot 3-point. So I hope this ebook will really help people and I also can make some money on this ebook. So I'm looking for Fiverr people that write this ebook for me. So I already sent a message to them and I'm waiting for they send me a sample about the menu of this ebook. Then I will pick which one will be the winner. Then I'm gonna order the gig from them to get the ebook. So I will come back when I get the ebook. Alright guys, so I just got the ebook from the Fiverr guy. So let's jump onto my computer. I'm gonna show you what the ebook looks like. Okay, so you can see from this Fiverr gig that I ordered from the 30th of April and I paid for $33.65. And this is the ebook. Let me show you what the ebook looks like. So you can see the ebook has got 13 pages about basketball and also having pictures on this ebook. So I'm really satisfied on this ebook. So now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up to Gumroad. Then I will come back when I'm finished listing this ebook on Gumroad. Alright, so I went up to Canva to create this cover for this ebook. As you can see, I'm really an artist to create this ebook. I really like this ebook cover. And as you can see, I placed one page about this ebook, letting people to read on, so they will having a more chance to buy this ebook. Then we can scroll down, you can see I write Ultimate Guide of Basketball 3-Point Secret Weapon. I named this ebook this way, and I have a little caption over here on the Gumroad website so people can read on this book, and I list for $4.99 for this ebook. So all I need to do is I need 6 to 7 sales, then I can get my money back. So now I'm going to do is I'm done with the Gumroad. I already did this on Gumroad. So when people purchase on Gumroad, Gumroad will pay me the money and Gumroad will give the people email to them then to download, so I don't have to do anything. This is real 100% passive income. So right now I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Instagram. I'm going to find a video about people shooting basketball, especially looking for Steph Curry. If I can find a video about Steph Curry shooting basketball, shooting 3-point, then that will be good. And that is going to be my advertising video. And at the end of the video, I'm going to promote this ebook. So right now I'm going to jump onto Instagram and find a video. Alright, so I just finished the ad copy and let's show you what the video looks like.
Favorite basketball player?
Currently Steph Curry.
Okay, I'm really happy about this ad. So now you can see this is my Instagram page. I already put the link in the bio. So when people click on this link, then they can go up to Gumroad and they can buy this ebook. You can see on mobile phone, the picture is not so big and it's looking really good. When people can scroll to the next page, so they can see the different photos. So they can see with the first page, so they can read a little bit about this ebook. Then they can scroll down, you can see $4.99 for this ebook and a little caption about this ebook, and people can just click on I want this, then they can buy this ebook so I can make some money. Okay, I almost forgot to upload the video. So right now you can see on my page, on Reels, this is the video that I just upload, and on the feed post and also on the story. Okay, on the story I already post. So everything is done right now. So you can see the time right now is 5:45. So let's wait for 24 hours and let's see how much money we can make. So now it has been 24 hours when we upload that first video. So right now, let's jump onto my computer. I'm going to show you how much money we make. Drummer, please. Oh no, we didn't make any sale, but we got 17 views. You can see yesterday we got 11 views and today we got 6 views. So we didn't make any sale. So let's take a look on Instagram. So from Instagram, let's click on Reels. You can see this is the first video. We got 13,000 views and we got 1,000 likes, 3 comments. And I post 2 videos about this ebook, promote this ebook. And this is the second video. We got 300 likes and 3 comments. And this video has got almost 5,000 views. But unfortunately, we didn't make any sales. So in the future, I will keep this ebook on my Instagram basketball 545 page. I'm gonna keep promoting this ebook because right now this ebook is owned by me. I don't have to pay for anything, so I will keep promoting this ebook on my page until I make the first sale. So I will update you guys and let you guys know when I make the first ebook sale. Okay, so if you like this kind of video, if you like this kind of challenge, then leave inside the comment section and let me know. I just want to let you guys know all the journey that I do with my basketball 545 page. I want to be serious, I want to be real, I don't want to lie to you guys. So even the challenge has been failed, I still want to upload this video showing you guys also that I failed the challenge. Okay, so if you like today's video, then give me a like and I will be appreciated. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, I'm Johnson Lin. Thanks for watching. Be motivated yourself, never give up.